Imagine if there were a single move that could help fix nearly every issue you face with your body. Well, believe it or not, there is, and it's called the Asian squat. Watch till the end to know exactly how this ancient squat technique can transform your life forever. Let's jump in. Improve digestive health. Let's kick things off with an unexpected benefit. Digestion. Sitting in an Asian squat helps to compress your abdominal region in a way that gently massages your intestines, which can improve digestion and help prevent constipation. In some cultures, squatting is even the preferred posture for eating or resting. By adopting this position, you're giving your digestive organs a natural boost, helping everything move more efficiently. Minimize the risk of injury. Next, let's talk about injury prevention. Unlike traditional chairs that disengage our muscles, the Asian squat strengthens the ankles, knees, and hips as they're put into their full range of motion. This not only makes these joints more resilient, but also helps your body learn better alignment and posture, so you're less likely to twist or strain something during daily activities or workouts. Release tension of the spine. Now, we all know how modern life can lead to tension building up in our spines. The Asian squat position, though, offers a natural release. By sitting deep into this squat, your lower back muscles stretch out, and gravity helps decompress your spine. This relief can be particularly beneficial if you spend hours sitting or standing. Think of it as a reset button for your back. Enhance functionality. Functionality is the name of the game here. The Asian squat isn't just an exercise. It's a position that challenges your body to support itself. By regularly practicing this squat, you're training your body to be more functional in everyday movement, from lifting heavy objects to bending down. It's a way to make your body better equipped for real-life tasks, better flexibility and mobility. Now, let's talk about flexibility and mobility. The Asian squat stretches and strengthens the muscles and joints in your hips, knees, and ankles. Unlike exercises that only target one area, this squat covers multiple muscle groups at once, making it perfect for anyone looking to stay limber and agile. And best of all, it doesn't take hours of stretching. Just a few minutes of squats in a day can work wonders. Better balance and stability. If you've ever tried to balance in an Asian squat, you know it takes practice, but that's exactly the benefit. It trains your body to stay steady even when it's in an unusual position. This squat improves your balance and stability, which helps prevent falls especially as you age. Plus, with your feet firmly planted, you're naturally training your body to adjust and adapt, making you more grounded overall. Stronger legs and midsection. The Asian squat is fantastic for building stronger legs and a solid core. Holding this position activates the quads, hamstrings, calves, and abdominal muscles all at once. By practicing it regularly, you'll notice increased leg strength and stability, and your core will become more defined, all from a single and simple movement. Boost circulation. One hidden benefit of the Asian squat is its ability to boost circulation. When you squat, blood flow increases in the lower body, which helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to muscles and joints. This position acts like a natural pump, keeping blood moving efficiently to and from the legs. Better circulation doesn't just energize your legs, it benefits your entire body, helping you feel more awake and alert. Enhances mental focus and mindfulness. Believe it or not, the Asian squat can also benefit your mental focus and mindfulness. This pose encourages you to engage with your body, feel your muscles working, and find balance. Many people say that after a few minutes in the squat, they feel calmer and more centered. It's like a quick grounding meditation that's both physical and mental, leaving you more present and focused for whatever next. Don't forget to like the video and watch the one popping now on the screen. See you soon.